Yeah, what's up, guys? Just when I wasn't confused last week, I'm confused again. And like, I'd be lying if I said, okay, I'm gonna be blunt with you guys. Alright, I was making a video, the top 10 spring anime openings of the season. You could check that out in the description box below. But I never realized this, but the opening for Macaco City Actors, that shit spoils so much for you. Seriously, holy shit. If you look closely in the opening of Macaco City Actors, you could tell like what's gonna happen, what's going on, like who's who. Because at this point, because I was editing the video for the opening, and when I was looking at it closely, I realized Mary, I think that's her name, the girl with the white hair, you know, she grows scales. Like in the very end, she's yelling and she's growing scales. Then at the very end, we see that girl, which is the monster at the very end. She also has scales like on her cheek. So of course I'm gonna make the comparison. This monster is Mary, the girl. But then when I think about it even more clearly, the only three people that are different in this series, like by their physical appearance, is Konoha, which is Haraku, Mary, and Nene. And as far as I know, is okay. How the fuck put this? In this episode confirmed that NA and Haraku died. NA, Haraku died, and Ayano died. That's 3. So I don't know if I'm being stupid when I say this shit, but does that mean that Mary's fucking Ayano? I don't know, cause they died, and I know fucking this Tateyama guy, the doctor, the fucking scientist, the teacher, whatever he fucking is. I don't know if he's fucking evil or not, cause you know with the face he had, he was actually smiling that Haruka was like almost dying and shit. Same thing with fucking Nene. He just showed up out of nowhere when Nene tripped. I think that was like her health like getting to her. That's when she actually fell. And I know that for a fact that this guy, Tateyama Kageyama, the teacher, he had something to do with this. The powers that they have, even with other people, because they said they had something similar to that. So I'm figuring this guy, I can't pronounce his fucking name, Tateyama guy, he's the cause of this power. Everyone has this power. I think he has his own power too, because we saw he had red eyes, and I don't know if that power is like giving every person their own power. Something around there, I don't know about that. Maybe he's the monster. I don't know. This monster thing has a big part of this thing too. I didn't really like recognize that. Like I didn't even put much attention to the end. But now that I saw it all at once, I just started to like everything from the first one to the last one. This has a big part. I'm predicting it's either the Tateyama guy, or that's fucking Ayano, I don't know, something around there. Or maybe it could be fucking Kano too, because Kano looked very suspicious in the end of this episode. Very suspicious. And how in the fuck does he know that? How in the fuck would he know that Haraku and Nene were so close? And that he died. He fucking died at the beginning. You know, it's another, still with the flashback. We see that Nene and Ayano are very good friends. You know, they talk about everything. They are very deep. And, you know, the crazy thing is, the same day that Harano died, because and now that I think about it, it was confirmed that he really did die. She died too, because in the very end we see that Kano was talking about the Haraku dying, that Nene couldn't save 2 people that she cared about from dying at that same day, which is August 15th. And that's another big thing, the date's always there, it's always August 15th. And when you look back, with Hibiya, they were in a time loop, because they told me in the comment section below. And I'm wondering if this is a time loop too, like in some way, we see that, they were having that deep conversation, Ayano and Nene. And you were just talking about the people they love, you know, Ayano has a heart for Sentaru, and Nene has a heart for Haruku, but none of them really wanna, you know, commit to it. They don't wanna do that. And, you know, we just see, you know, Nene actually having the courage to actually go to Haruko and say it to her, but that's when she fell, and then that's when the teacher, Mr. Tateyama, was right there, like in front of her, and he just had this evil smirk on his face. And then when she woke up, she was in that digital body. So of course he has something to do with this. He does have something to do with this. Like, it's obvious. And same with Haruko. In the end, we see him is in a hospital, like he wasn't in the beginning of the episode. He wished for a stronger body, and Mr. Tateyama was there sitting like right across from him. And I guess when he woke up, he wasn't in that fucking body. The same body, yeah, I guess he had his memories wiped out too. and a different name. Now his name is Konoha. I don't know what the fuck. See, I know what's going on, but I can't really explain like the evidence. I don't have any evidence to this. Ayano died that same day. There's that too, and then we go back to the present day. Now that we're at so now that we're at the present day, you know, and they start spilling some beans. You know, everyone else has connections with Ayano, with everyone else. And, you know, everyone starts realizing, alright, everybody's connected, you know, Ene, Shintaro, Ayano, Konoha, they're all connected, you know, they were friends in high school. Everyone figures that out, you know, she told a story. We also figured out that Ayano, they were sisters, and she was the sister of, you know, everyone else, you know, Seto, Kiro, Kano. Not blood related, but that's how close they were too, you know, they were very, very close too. And the thing that threw me off, you know, was fucking okay, like, I don't know, between Tateyama, Kano, these seem very fucking suspicious. I don't know if they're the same person. I never put that shit. What the fuck? Maybe they are the same. What the fuck? Wait, no, I'm serious. I didn't even think about that shit until now. Are they the same person? Tateyama and Kano, and not Kano. Yeah, Kano, because he can manipulate the eyes. Holy shit. Fuck. You're forgetting what's happening during the episode. Alright, okay. Alright, that fucking happened. I'm sorry, guys. I know this is gonna be a horrible review, but I'm just trying to wrap my mind around what the fuck's going on. This is a crazy series. I'm serious. I didn't expect much out of this series, but now that I'm thinking about it, it's like, it's crazy. All these things are happening. There's this big mystery on the date. But like, why they have the powers, with explanation why they actually got it. Who is giving them the powers? Like, we don't have evidence, but I'm just assuming all this shit. We just got it. Okay, they died. All of them died. Ayano, Ene, and Haruka died, and now they got the weird bodies. Ene and Haruka, we've seen their new bodies, except for Ayano, you know. But we also see Mary, who's the only other person that looks different, and they actually look kind of similar when you think about it. When there's that, then does that make Mary the fucking monster? No. Alright, guys, you know, I'm done predicting. Great episode, yeah, as you can fucking tell. Confusing episode, as you can fucking tell, but this is a great series. I am so thankful. I'm gonna watch. I don't know if there was a song. Was there a song for one of the videos? Because I want to check that shit out as soon as possible. I just want to know more about this series. Seriously, this is actually becoming my favorite almost. But yeah, just the ending, it kind of threw me off. Not with the Haruko part, because, you know, that's when he actually turned into Konoha, but we see that Kano, he actually seemed so fucking suspicious. He looked evil. He looked like he wanted to hurt Ene, you know, by saying those things. And he knew about that, which is also very suspicious. How would he know about that? Unless he's the fucking teacher, Tateyama. Because, you know, because obviously he's the one that did all that shit. But yeah, you know, we also see that Shintaro and Konoha, you know, guys, Konoha saved everybody, but Shintaro's shaking up like he's scared, and they're in the hospital, so everyone else went there except for Kano and Kiro. Kano and Ene, they stayed back, and that's when all that shit happened, you know. But yeah, hopefully I said everything I needed to say that happened in an episode, because right now I'm not really sure. Because, you know, when I see these kind of things, I like to make hypotheses. I like to predict what's going to actually happen, how everything's connected. So I might miss something, but again, you know, if I miss something, I'm sorry. Just tell me below, and I'll give my explanation on that. But yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe, you know, let's talk about this. I really want to talk about this series, man. This series is fucking awesome. I want to hear your guys' predictions if you haven't seen it yet. And yeah, man, if you have seen it, you know, just tell me, like, don't spoil it for me, but, you know, give me your reaction for this episode. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more reviews and all that great stuff. And yeah, man, take care, guys. Be safe. An awesome series, man. I'm loving this fucking series. Yeah, guys, bye.